Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we are going to be doing some decorating, and I can't wait to take you guys along for this journey today. Lots of fun decorating ahead. We just got the pavers installed. We ended up hiring the original guys who did the pavers in the back party barn to finish that up, and they're actually finishing up right behind our garage area too. So we'll have a nice little pathway outside of our garage. We had some leftover pavers, so it worked out just amazing. So I can't wait to take you guys along today's video. A big thank you to Antique Candle Co. for sponsoring a portion of today's video. They just released their new fall candles, so I can't wait to tell you guys all about that. It is a gloomy day here today, so it's starting to feel a little bit like fall, although I'm hanging on to summer as long as I can with all those pool days with the kids. BBS is still happening. We got 2 more of those ahead, and I just can't wait. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I wanted to show you guys what that final look of the paver project looks like. We had ran out of that dark charcoal style paver, so we just did it in the middle right here. This path goes all the way to the back and it ends right here. We are still working on the railing, but it's looking good. Lots to backfill here. One of my favorite features of this tiny home is this Dutch door right here. I think that this is so cute and just full of character. Sometimes it's just the little simple things that add just such a darling touch to a space. And with all of the leftover pavers, we were able to have the guys do this area as well. Let's go inside, turn the fireplace on, and get a little cozy as we talk about Antique Candle Co. and their new fall candles. I'm still hanging on to summer a little bit longer, so I'm lighting a summer scent. But if you're somebody already decorating for fall, then this is the perfect opportunity to bundle up and get an incredible deal with Antique Candle Co. We have been long-time fans of Antique Candle Co. And here's some throwback videos of when we were first introduced to them. The perfect day is to bring out those fall candles on a gloomy day. Some of the favorites are Fall Harvest, Spice Cake, Pumpkin Bread, which is my favorite, Apple Butter, Pumpkin Spice, and Apple Orchard. You can go to the links down below where you can find a coupon code to save 20% off of your order. Thank you again to Antique Candle Co. for working with us on today's video. I'm just adding to the kitchen bar area my stackable Itu Home cutting boards. I've had these for years and they make a great decorative piece, but also practical when you want to serve something like cookies or fruit. And I'm adding my Farmhouse Weekends recipe book, and then right in front of it, my darling strawberry cookie jar. This I got from my grandma a few months ago, and I love incorporating pieces that come from family members because it just adds a story that you might not have gotten. Now I'm just fluffing up our sofa. This is the Kina modular sofa, and it's a beautiful feather down sofa, and they actually have so many new colors. And I've been eyeing the brown one. I think it's so beautiful and just would give a little bit of an edge since I have so many cream colors in this home. Another favorite we're still loving is our rug bowl. And when I find something I love, I just don't change it. This is our little entry space that we use all the time. And I just have this darling Park Hill Collection art and then Park Hill Collection little hook center. And we use this for the kids' backpacks and just jackets when we walk inside. The art I purchased off of Amazon, and the coat rack I got from Cotton & Crete. This hallway is one I don't share often, but I absolutely love our little family photos down this hallway, and I only change it during the Christmas season. We're headed into my girls' room where she still has that same Betty's bedding because she loves it so very much. One of her favorite reasons for loving it is the fact that the zipper holds her into the bed because both of my kids just love rolling off the bed. And we're moving this A back over here. This was actually one of my first ever collaborations when I was pregnant, I believe, with Aria, so nearly 10 years ago. And it's one that I will never get rid of. I just absolutely adore it, and the meaning behind it I think is precious. Now I wanted to share with you guys our 2 pages curtains. We've had these in here for about a year now, and I love this purple color so very much. My boy has a deep dark blue one, and I think they're fabulous because they're room darkening, and I think that that's a great feature to have, and it brings in that sunlight when you need it, but it also keeps it dark when you need it too. My mom recently found this darling pillow for my girl at Goodwill, and then we scored at Ross these darling little twinkly lights, which we added to her rainbow wall, which we've had since she was a little girl too. I love this space so much. My girl keeps it quite tidy, minus the clothes, because she loves her clothes so very much. And I just think it's such a cute space. And I love the wall mural on the wall because it's really been able to grow with her. It looked great when she was a toddler, but it also looks great now that she is a big girl. Now we're heading into my boy's room, and over President's Day weekend, which was his birthday, we got him this bed off of Wayfair, and we love it. It's a trundle bed. It was really affordable, easy to put together, and it allows for obviously extra sleeping, but also lots of room to play. And I'm just moving over this little chair. We got this over the Christmas season, and both of my kids have one, and they love it. It's nice and cozy. The kids love it. The dogs love it. And it's great also for reading at nighttime. I know I've had a lot of questions on our DIY wood wall, and we had this beautiful reclaimed wood wall that we've taken down, and now we have this tongue and groove style on here. I'm not so sure about the color of stain, but I do like it a little bit better than that wood that we previously had on it. Here's those Roman shades that Brody has, and Jason recently DIY'd this Nerf gun wall so that we could store them with ease. Now we're headed over to the tiny home. I got a shipment in of furniture, and so one of those pieces was this darling reclaimed wood bench, and I will link that down below. I think it's perfect for the entry room. Come on in to the master. We're going to put this cute little nightstand. This was also in that shipment, as well as this darling lamp. This has to be my favorite lamp ever. So cute. I might cut the cords so that it's cordless, just to give a cleaner kind of aesthetic to the space. I also got the matching reclaimed wood table, which is called the wedding table, and I think it's darling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video filled with decorating and decor and all those good things. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, friends.